Hunan Xingyuan Technology Company Limited, briefly named XY Vending, was a manufacturer founded in 2013, which is highly experienced and specialized in snacks, drinks, pharmaceutical products, hot dishes, frozen goods, beauty products, books, etc. Vending machine. As a top leading manufacturer in the industry in China, we offer most comprehensive range integrated, full-line vending machine, services and technology. Depending on continuous innovative technology and good quality, also the strong after-sale guarantee, our machines is already global coverage to around 200 country and areas. The success is joint efforts by our great clients and us. We serve to distributors, vending operators and national food service and facilities management companies, etc. We strive to deliver one-stop vending solutions that exceed our customers' expectations and provide exceptional end customer experience, which can quickly transform to value for customers. XY Vending have CE and ISO 9001 certification. In 2023, XY Vending is a vending machine manufacturer that has obtained the UL safety certification in the United States. These certifications show confidence and signifies international recognition of our technology and quality assurance in the production. With over 10 years of manufacturing and serving vending products, XY Vending is one of the most reliable brand in the convenience self-services industry. We strive to challenge the status within the automated dispensing industry by providing innovation technology, software, equipment, and after-sales services, which is 7 by 24 hours, that transform the user experience and create value for customers. We will persist in innovation, continue to provide customers with more valuable products and solutions, bring better and better retail consume experience for consumers in the world.